called an elite, marathon level. And we're just one step away from being a platinum, which I know that in the next couple of years, 1 or 2 years, we should be climbing it to become a platinum level marathon that all players in the world now can be, the real biggest names in the world can now come to Lagos and be part of this. We're just one step. We started from bronze, we've gone to silver, now we're elite. We're going to the very next one very, very soon.
Don't you forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you'll always get it right away. Bye for now. See you next time.